this. Kinda weird. Alright. Almost. Girls almost got it. Come on, Carlos, figure it out. Ooh, girls are going. Next station. Spin your own nails. You should be good at this. Paint faster, paint faster, paint faster, paint faster. Next hand, next hand. Give me a polish.
Look at Julian. He's trying to go all fancy with it.
Alright, girls are on to the next one. Girls are way too good at this.
Yeah, Julian's doing that paint nails.
Don't pop the balloon. Make sure you don't pop that balloon. Make sure you don't pop the balloon. Other side. Don't pop it, don't pop it, don't pop it.
Got it. Come on. Oh, yeah.
Get it all off, get it all
Oh,
off,
yeah,
get
oh,
it
yeah,
all
come on,
off.
you got it. Not enough.
Keep going, you gotta get it all off. The girls are dominating at this. Come on, guys, let's go. You should be good at this. Let's go. Alright, let's go, let's go, 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 go. Run faster. Come on, Stephanie, let's take it. Go. Put that dress on.
Take a watch the shark.
Come on, the
Don't
shot!
rip it, don't rip it, don't rip it. Eat the chips, eat the chips, eat the chips. That's not even, how did you do that? Okay.
Yeah!
Alright, we'll give that one to the boys, I guess, because they're picked. That was really strange. Alright, but unfortunately, boys, the girls won because they dressed out the most this week. Sorry, so it's still a tie game.